In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the expressions filter trend on TikTok. Okay, so this is a pretty fun trend and you're going to be making use of the Expressify filter. It's a trending filter at the moment. So if you're on the Snapchat camera and you go to the Snapchat camera from anywhere on the TikTok page, you can tap on the plus icon in the middle in the center to go to the TikTok camera. And then once you're on the TikTok camera, you can see there it says effects at the bottom left hand corner. You can tap on that. And then it is a trending filter, but you have to scroll down a bit till you see it. Now I'll put it at the top there. So you see for me there at the top row in the center with those two smiling faces, you can see that's the Expressify filter. So I'll tap on that. And then this is what the filter does. You can make certain faces. So you can smile in that. You can make a frowning face. And you can invert it as you would like to and do things like that. So what you need to do is you can either make a funny face yourself or you can put the camera on someone else and just make a viral funny video. And you need to add the sound. So I'm going to tap on add sound. Now the sound that you need to add to do this trend is the San Andreas sound by Groove. So I'm going to type San Andreas and then tap on the result. And you can see it's a popular sound at the moment, San Andreas by Groove. Delete the radio edit, so you can add that song by tapping on it. And I have it on mute for copyright reasons, but you'll just go ahead and add that into your TikTok video. And then from here you would just go ahead and make a recording and then pull any funny face that you would like with that song playing in the background, and you can put the camera on other people. Now let's just say for example you're not finding the filter from within this effects tab. What you can do is you can go out of this TikTok camera and then you can tap on the discover tab at the bottom there next to the home button and tap on the search bar. And then in the search bar, you just want to type Expressify, just like that. Tap on the result that pops up. And there you can see the Expressify filter. Now it says effects and then Expressify. But you can also click on any one of these videos here to go ahead and get the filter. But I'll just tap on the filter there. And then you can add it to your favorites. You can see all the videos making use of the Expressify filter. I'm not sure if all of these are doing the exact trend I'm talking about, but it has become quite popular. So you can also from this page tap on the record button at the bottom there. And then you can go ahead and record your video. And then you would obviously make sure to add your sound. So that is how you can do the expressions filter trend on TikTok right now. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more TikTok trends. Take care.